Okay, engine assembly time. Working on a 340 free air Spirit engine. Have a brand new crankshaft from the guys at Northern Crankshaft. They said they could sell me this cheaper than rebuild my old one, so I was happy with that. New pistons. Have the actual Suzuki Arctic Cat head gaskets, because the ones that come in the kit don't have the fire ring, and the ones that don't have the fire ring blow out too easy. So I got the actual good stuff there. This is the real good sealant to use. The 1184 3-bond. Same as your Honda Bond, Yamaha Bond, all that good stuff. There's another one, I believe it's 1211 3-bond, and that one would maybe work, but it won't last as long, because this one here, says that it's gasoline resistant, whereas the other one does not specifically say gasoline resistant. Chemical resistant, but not gasoline resistant. So I got a real thin coat of that all over on here, both halves. So it's very thin stuff. So we'll see if we can't put it together here. Damn it.